Today, I'm going to show my dad, who is 58 years old, how to upload his first TikTok Shop affiliate video. He saw the results that I was getting. I've made over $20,000 profit this month, and it's not even the end of the month, and he was blown away. And he came to me and was like, hey, Trev, how do I do this? And I said, say less, I got you, Pops. Let's get into it. Yeah, so go to TikTok, hit the plus icon, then the right-hand corner where you can see your videos. Click on that, then go to videos, or it's already there, it's at all. And click that most recent one that we just edited. The top right-hand corner where it says select, then hit next. So we'll do the description, hashtags, the cover, we'll tag the product, then we can come back and if we need to add any text to the video, we can. So for the description, basically what we want to do is we want to talk about the product and say, hey, this is a really cool product. It's called a retractable ratchet strap. So you can say, I've been in the construction industry for 40 years, and this retractable ratchet strap is the coolest thing I've seen, or something like that. And one thing that I like to do is I'll do text to speech, because as you can tell, you're doing some typos, and so it's easy to just click the little microphone button, and since we're on a FaceTime, it won't let you, but I'll just do text to speech and just say it. You have a typo there. It's like you've never typed before. Yep, and then start with the hashtags and do ratchet strap. Do dad gifts. Or tie downs. You could do tie downs, tie down. And see how they have 4,000 posts, 5,000. We just want to find some that have decent posts because that will make it so that, or we know that people are actually using that hashtag more often. And then TikTok knows who to serve the video to. Yeah, dad gift, 10,000 posts, so you can just click on it.
I would think it would be gifts for dad.
Yeah, you could do gifts for dad. You spelled that wrong. Yeah, 31,000. The next one, do retractable ratchet. No, hashtag, so you got to do the hashtag first. You have the S. Yeah, retractable ratchet. And I'm okay doing that because it's very specific to the product. And so we want to try to get some SEO and ranking for that specific product. So if people are searching it on the app, then you will be able to appear. So let's do FYP. This stands for For You page. You got to do hashtag first, and that should come right up. So 6.3 million posts. So click on that. Now let's edit cover and go to swipe over. Kind of hold that profile icon and then swipe over to try to select a thumbnail and whatever. Yeah, that one was good. Like right there. Yep, right there. Perfect. Right there. And then you see where it says none, you can click on glitch at the bottom. And this is where we're going to put a text, and this is where we're going to let people know. And you can say the best ratchet straps or viral ratchet straps. Or ratchet straps must have. Just something that when people see it, they are like, oh, okay, like I'm interested. So then just click down on like yourself, like where your shirt is, and just click on that. And then you can move in, yep, so that's perfect. So hit save. And so then what we can do is we can go and do that. So hit the little tiny arrow up at the top top left-hand corner and hit the text icon. And then this is where we can do flash deal alert. We got flash deal alert, then do best gift idea. Yep, perfect. Then hit done. Then you can place it in the middle, kind of, yep, right down a little bit, and then click on it again. And we're gonna set the duration. And you're going to scroll that over just like you're trimming a video and put it to like the first 5 seconds. Perfect. And then hit the little check mark and then hit next. Now we're going to add link. So we're going to tag the product. So click on add link where it says products and more. And then where it says product, says post a product to your video. And scroll down. I don't know if we have this. No, scroll down. I think we added this to yep. So that one is the 1 incher, right? It's not the 2 inch. Yeah. So click on add, where it says the 1 inch, where it's like the 4-pack. And then from there, retractable ratchet. So this is already kind of set up good. So just delete the tie down, delete one more. Yeah, go to the beginning and hit viral and just type in viral and space. Yep. viral retractable ratchet. And it,
Not tie down?
well, you can't because you only have 30 characters. So just like that, then hit the white screen. You can't, Dad. So just hit the white screen and then hit add. And then just like that, we have everything. We have the description, we have the cover, you got the hashtags, you got the link. Now you can hit post and then it's loading. So just like that, we got 2 videos uploaded for you. And that's the process. So now hopefully you can do that on your own.
Hey, 8 people have already watched that video.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And there is a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to upload your first TikTok shop video. As you saw, I was able to help my dad, who is 58 years old. He's never posted a TikTok video in his entire life, and I walked him through it via FaceTime screen share. So if he can do it, you can do it. And I hope that this video makes it less intimidating and you jump into the TikTok Shop affiliate program because the opportunity is absolutely insane. Real quick to end things, I just want to show you guys inside my phone what I'm actually doing. So it is not even 3 o'clock, and look at this, over $1,000. Absolutely insane. $1,184, almost $1,200. That's insane. And if we come over here to just this month, so it's not even the end of the month, look at this. Over $20,000. Guys, this opportunity is insane and you need to take advantage of it. And if you guys need help, we have a school community group that's super cheap. It's $5 per month. I'll put the link down below. We walk you through the entire process. I'd love to help you guys get started just like I'm helping my dad, and we'll see you on the inside.